Hi, today I'll show you how to import the image sequence here into After Effects without put it one by one because it will turn out messy and potentially wasting our time. Let's say I have this 100 PNG sequence of my 3D render. You can see the result and tutorial on my channel. I will put down the link on the description. All you have to do is just go to File, Import, and choose File. Just click on the first frame here and make sure the PNG sequence here is checked. After that, click Import. That's it. Now the PNG sequence has turned into footage. As we can see here, the whole sequence merged into one frame here. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!